National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, southeastern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Webster County in northwestern Kentucky, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Robards, or 13 miles southeast of Henderson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Calhoun, Seabury, Livermore, Whitesville, Masonville, St. Joseph, Beech Grove, Island, and Mosleyville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 165 between mile marker 60 and 66. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 131 and 142. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Davis, Henderson, Hopkins, McLean, and Webster.